Hi everyone, Miss Dahlman and Courtney here, and whoa! Yeah! Looks like we are going to have indoor recess today. Let's learn all the rules and the expectations. Enjoy! Hey kids, indoor recess is going to be supervised by another adult. Even though she isn't your regular teacher, you need to listen to her and respect what she says. Thank you so much, Miss Lunch Lady, is it?
Miss Lunch Lady is fine. That is my maiden name. You look strangely familiar. That's because I'm your lunch lady. This teacher shortage is crazy. I'm just filling in so your teacher can have a short little break.
Thank you so much, and good luck.
Why do we need luck?
That wasn't meant for you, Courtney.
Now beg your pardon? Lottie, I brought my baseball. We could probably play that indoors. Righto, that sounds swell. Okay, here we go. Wow! This is a what? Quite right. Okay, my turn. Oh, it's quite bouncy. Oh, pardon me. Now let me start planning lunch for next week. Ow! Now, kids, I don't know much about this substituting, but I do know you cannot play with balls inside. There are other things you can do. Okay, then let's play tag. Lottie, you're it. Wait, you're back there, okay? Oh, I don't really run that often, but I guess I'll play along, okay? It seems like you're it now, okay? Woo! Was a little overzealous there. Kids, running is just like baseball. You don't do it inside. You can play some quiet games. What quiet games can we play indoors? Now, it's funny you mentioned that because your teacher did show me this cart of quiet toys y'all could play with, but I didn't really think about that till now, so go ahead, start playing. Okay, Lottie, it's my turn. I win! Now, what do you mean you won? You just went once. Kids, indoor recess means indoor voices. It also means that every game you play fair with each other, just like you would outside. Now, I guess playing with a puzzle is about as fair as a game as you can do. Oh, this is not as much fun as Connect 1. Now, Courtney, do you happen to have a Queen of Hearts, perhaps? I do. Does that mean I win? All right, kids, it's time to clean up. This seems pretty clean to me. No, ma'am, your stuff is not put away. Your Connect 1 pieces are all over the floor. Quattro's still out on the floor. And your art supplies, it's got all the Connect 1 pieces mixed up in it. And your puzzle pieces are still out, yet to mention, where is the box? Young miss, can you stand up for a second? That's what I figured. Now you put everything away correctly so we can find it the next time we have indoor recess. A place for everything and everything in its place. Just like my lunchroom. I always know where the pudding's at.
Hi everyone, how was indoor recess?
It was smooth sailing after we found those quiet indoor games. Now, did someone mention pudding? Is that an indoor thing?
Welcome back everyone. Did you have a nice indoor recess? So did we. We were just putting our materials away, nice and neatly, so that they're there for us the next time we have indoor recess. Bye everyone! You ready for indoor recess? Are you back to learning?